2025 is the year to make money, and I'm here to show you all the places you're going to park money from the US stock market. And always remember, you need the knowledge. Don't just copy what I'm saying, but try and get into the community and learn some. Today, I'm going to share with you stocks, three stocks plus some bonus. Of course, you know me. Some stocks and bonus that I just spent some dollars on buying. So here we teach you how to make money online, how to spend your money wisely, and how to multiply your money through investing. Hey besties, welcome to another video. Of course, I always tell you the topic. You get to choose run or stay. I know you're gonna stay. You want to make some money. Let's talk all about it. All right, so let's move on. Now, I'm going to be talking about new stock opportunity that is going to blow your mind. And one of the strategies I'm teaching people in my community is stocks that have good upside potential. If you do not understand this, please join the community. I'm not going to break down this particular word for you, but I think you should be in the community. Knowledge is powerful. I want you to learn how to do this by yourself. Why am I saying this? I have a lot to unpack today. So if you're ready, I'm ready. I'm going to do something for you. If you stay till the end, you will see the three stocks that I just bought. And the stocks, you can keep them in your watch list for, of course, potential profits. I'm here to show you what can make you money. So just briefly, I'm going to take us through something which is called the fear and greed index. So let's quickly look at the fear and greed index so that we get back to the video. Now, this is the fear and greed index. So look at this. I don't know if you have seen this before or you know about this, but this is an index that shows the sentiment of people, the emotion that is driving people who are investing in the stock market. Stock market is super interesting. So this is a strategy I use, okay? It is one of the tools I use to buy stocks that have good upside potential. I'm making that statement again. Now, when blood is on the streets, we go shopping. That time people are panicking, selling, panic selling, running off. They don't understand what's going on. That is when we go into shop. Okay. So when there's blood on the streets, we pounce. So shout out to anybody who has watched my video, bought any stock I recommended, and they made some money. If you have done so, please drop it in the comments. If you haven't, maybe you need to join the community to learn more. So this particular gives us what goes on. So you can see here, it's currently at 27, meaning it's on fear and extreme fear. So when you see fear and extreme fear, you notice that the markets, the stocks are selling off. Okay, the stocks are selling off. But when it is on greed and extreme greed, that is when I sell some of my stocks that have made me good money. And when I see this chart on fear, and when it gets into 25, 24, 20, that is when I buy more, I double down. Okay, so this is very important. So when I say this, it's a good sign. Now let's head back to our slide. So let's move on. Please, if this is your first time, hi, my name is Julia Nwosu, and on this channel, of course, you know, I show you how to make money in the stock market. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I love to have you like this video, and please watch to the end. You're going to learn something fantastic. And as always, drop it in the comments if you learned something nice. Let's move on. We have our Julia Money Team 50 to 100% Challenge 2025. So how you get access is joining our VIP community. We help you set up your savings app, your investing apps, and you learn my favorite strategy, the rinse and repeat strategy. You get your 3 pillar stocks, you get an early retirement plan, learn how to pay off debts, and then have a long-term plan. It's super amazing. You should really join us. So moving on, here is one strategy you should learn. Buy low, sell high strategy. Buy low, somewhere around here, you sell high. So instead of going so far, I want to take us to these 3 stocks that I bought that I think you should keep an eye on. The first one is Nvidia, second one is CleanSpark, the third one is SoFi. All right, so this is the bonus. Probably I'll add more. Let's see how that goes. So let's get into the chart so that you get to see these things. So now, one of the charts I've been using recently for my videos, for trainings, or for my YouTube, for you to learn, is the webull. Okay, you can download it for free from your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. So this is one of the things we watch in the community, which is the SPY. The SPY is the ETF of the S&P 500. S&P 500 is the top 500 best companies in the stock market. Okay, so this has been happening recently. You can see it got to 600, and since then it's been dropping. Had this massive long red candle followed by another red candle, and it picked up fast, took off to 602 and came crashing again, tried again, crashing again. So I see this picking up today, probably to like 585, and probably come further down to maybe 574, 573, 572 range before it picks up again. That's what I think, but anything can happen. But one of the things you should learn is how to read the chart. See, the money is in the chart. Okay, so let me go to NVIDIA. Look at this. I'm going to go to the 5 minutes, and I'm going to also use the 30 minutes. So this is pre-market, nothing much. Stock is picking up, but this is what happened yesterday. Can you see this? Market came down. This stock came down to 129, and I shopped. I bought this stock. This is, of course, if you have been following my videos on this, you know this is one of the stocks I love. So I bought this particular stock, 129, 130 range, and it ran to 133. Yeah. And this is what happened when markets closed yesterday. Markets kept on going up, touched 135. And when markets opened today, pre-market, we are still in pre-market, market is about to open. It ran to 136. So this is good. This stock may run up to 138, 139, but I see this stock coming a little bit down. So for those in the community, that's one of the things you get. You know, when I'm buying, I give you the prices, you know, the price points that I'm buying. So this is a stock I just bought, and you should keep it in your watch list and under your radar. So that's the first one. The second one I mentioned there is CleanSpark. Okay, so let me move up and just pick out CleanSpark for us. Yeah, this is CleanSpark. So I'm going to use the 30 minutes time frame to show us something. This is something fantastic. So we picked this stock at 9.5, and I'm going to share something with you. The last time this stock came down to 9, we got it at $9, and this is what happened. It ran to 17. Okay, so now we're getting it almost at that price. Okay, and we are now moving. This is something else I want to show you. The stock is currently pre-market. It has touched 10.78, meaning that this stock is heading to 11. So we picked it up at 9.5, and that's what you get to enjoy when you're in the community. You get to know the time we are picking these stocks. And already, imagine if you have 10 shares on this, you've already made your $10 plus, almost $15. And that's fantastic. If it touches 11.5, you've crossed your $20 in just 48 hours. Isn't that wonderful? Yes, that is wonderful. So what is the next stock that we're supposed to talk about? Let's go back so you get to see. SoFi. Okay, let's head back. So let's look for SoFi. This is one of my favorite stocks. I love, love, love this stock. It's actually called Social Finance. It's a modern bank. It's a modern bank that offers a lot of things, but they're in the US, okay? This stock has been amazing. Take a look. This stock, we bought it when it was $7. And look at this stock. It ran to 17. And I shared with you some days ago, and I also shared it in my community, that this stock is heading you can see the range I marked. So when it touched here, 12 point something, we grabbed some. So this is the third stock that I purchased, and I'm looking for the upside move all the way back to 17. You can see from 12 to 17 is sweet, sweet money. $5 move. Where you go see that kind of money? Eh? See, you should join our community. So these are my three. And of course, I told you I was going to give you a bonus, and that is Tesla. Tesla reached 488 and it dropped. See, it touched 380 and I picked a few. Okay, now this stock is heading to 500. You are going to remember it in the next few weeks that this stock is going to cross 500 and probably touch 550. So these are the stocks that I just wanted to share with you today, and I hope you learned something interesting. Now I have given you everything you need. Remember, we have CPI tomorrow. We have PPI on Friday. CPI is the Consumer Price Index report, and PPI is a Producer Price Index report. If you don't understand, please join the community and you will learn all this. So we are about to go up, and we have the Trump swearing in coming. Lots of fantastic things coming. And I will say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, drop a comment, and most importantly, join the community. The new batch is about to start. We have the VIP 50,000, we have the lower basic level 10,000. One should be able to do that for you, and the links are in the description. So please do yourself a favor, click and make a payment, and I'll see you in class. Have a great day.